Hello, everybody. How are you doing? How are you doing? This is Kamau. Welcome to the channel. Guess what, everybody? This is Michael Jackson when he was young. I dug up his pic. This is Michael Jackson when he was in the 70s, when he started singing with his brothers, right? Hi, Mikey J. How are you? All right, guys, you know I'm kidding. This is not Michael Jackson. I know he looks just like him, doesn't he? But this is my son, Ausar. So, yeah, he's not going to go around breaking young girls' hearts. But guess what? He's bad. He's bad. You know it. You know, because guess what? Ausar went and he stacked up 15 CSEC subjects, 15 passes at CSEC. This is awesome. And I'm going to be telling you about all of these subjects that he did. And he had 16 at this year's sitting. He got 14 out of that, and he had one from last year. So let's get right into it, guys. I know you're going to be messaging me to find out, hey, Kamau, is your son available for some modeling? You know, can we do a photo shoot with him? I know he's got the look, guys. He's got the look, but that's not what we're talking about today. Inbox me for the modeling stuff. So this is my son Ausar, and this year, 2024, he sat 16 CSEC subjects. I'm going to tell you what the subjects are. So he got a grade 1 in English language and human and social biology. He got 8 grade 2s. So for grade 2, he got mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics, information technology, principles of accounts, office administration, and POB. And he got 3s in additional mathematics, social studies, literature, geography, and French. Awesome, Ausar. I am so very proud of my son. All right, so this is his mugshot. Ausar, you are charged with achieving 15 counts of passes at CSEC. How do you plead, young man? Of course, he is guilty. Guilty, Your Honor, guilty as charged. That's his mugshot there. They're taking him away. He is guilty of achieving 15 counts of passes at CSEC. So this is Ausar. He graduated recently from Arden High School. Now, Ausar is the youngest of 4 siblings, and all my siblings, for those who, all my kids, for those who don't know, they were all homeschooled. My 4 biological children, they were homeschooled. And the trend was, so they were homeschooled up to around about 11, 12, where they did either the GSAT or the PEP and went on to high school. So each of his siblings has roughly 16 to 17 CSEC subjects. So Ausar is following in the footsteps, the illustrious footsteps of his siblings. Here we have 2 of his siblings standing beside him. He's in the middle. Ausar is the giant of the family. As you can see, he's the youngest, but he's the tallest. Yes, so to his right, that's his sister Renzori. She has 17 CSEC passes as well. And to his left is his oldest sister, Shakama. She has 16 CSEC passes. And Shakama in 2012, I think the record still stands. She had 16 CSEC passes at one sitting, 15 of which were at grade 1. I think that record still stands, that local record, that Jamaican record still stands. So that's Renzori, Ausar, and Shakama. And Kuti, so that's Asar's older brother. So just this year also, Kuti received the Prime Minister's Youth Award for Excellence in Academics Of course, Kuti also has 17 CSEC passes. Um, and that's his award, the Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence, right? So Ausar has big footsteps to follow in. That's me accepting Kuti's award from Prime Minister Andrew Holness earlier this year. All right, so this is an award that I gave to Ausar because we had our graduation recently at the Kemet Masai Academy, and as a founding member, because I consider my children to be founding members, we started as a homeschool, and so as when they graduate from our school or when they achieve, I like to recognize them as founding members, right? And I also gave Ausar this trophy for his achievement at the CSEC. So here are his records. So this he got one pass last year for mathematics, and the Spanish was a question mark because we actually appealed this grade. As you can see, he got very high grades in 3 areas. His teacher insisted he should have gotten a 1. We appealed it, but it seems like one of his papers was not marked. But unfortunately, we were told that we had to. It's still pending actually. So, you know, those 2 subjects done last year, and these are the ones he did this year. I am so awfully proud of Ausar. So there he is with his 2 awards. And yeah, that's him, guys. So that's our model. He's got the look, he's got the cheeks. Yeah, that's Ausar. I'm so proud of him. And yeah, guys, when you have put in so much work and you see the rewards, you see the payoff, it is awesome. Remember, on this channel, we're all about excellence. And just as Ausar has achieved his excellence, following in the footsteps of his siblings, you too can achieve that. And this is why I want to share with you today Ausar's accomplishment, my personal Mikey J. I got him. All right. So, guys,